Oh, this is gonna be fucking dope.
Fucking weapons getting reset, god damn it.
Yeah, it's such a pain in the hole. Like, what the fuck is the story? Oh, sorry, dude. Where do you wanna go?
Here for you, maybe.
Go annoy them and say that.
You think that's a good idea?
Do I think it's a good idea, or?
My doubts on that being a good idea.
Yeah. Totally.
Just totally get caught out with.
Target acquired. New target
Yeah,
acquired.
looks like some of our dudes went down.
Yeah, Jenner and Shadowhawk. I'm quick,
Already
but
got
I'm not
a kill.
that quick.
New target acquired. New target acquired. New target
Yeah, they got LRMs
acquired.
coming in at them now as well.
New target acquired.
They're protected pretty close.
Yeah, I see him taking shots at him.
Fucking dangerous too.
There's a Jaeger on his way in there too.
New target acquired.
Firebrand.
Yeah, Firebrand, yeah.
Totally see him. And something else in there too.
Nice back armor, bro. Alright.
New target acquired.
Ah, come on, really?
Get the Firebrand on the fucking the Orion.
Hitting the spider, but the damage isn't going in. Is the Firebrand not dead?
I think it is actually, but there's a
Acquired.
detector still here. I'm gonna go after him.
New target acquired. Heat level critical.
I'm getting quite hurt here.
New target acquired.
Oh, that was slick looking.
Target acquired.
Fighting a Thunderbolt down here, it's kind of stressing me out a little bit.
On my way, on my way. Oh, you got loads of backup about to drop on this dude. So it's not even worth it for me to chop down. I can't even get a
It's
shot.
definitely not fucking. It's definitely standard anyway. Ah, so close to dead. Just nearly got him as well.
New target
What I wouldn't give us some
acquired.
fucking more weapons on my arms, man. Seriously, like just one large pulse laser on my arms.
Ah, the fucking Thunderbolt didn't even get me with that fucking Raven. Nearly killed 3 guys back to back there. That's fucking nuts.
C20 Hunchback, this could be a good fight.
Oh. Well, that's that.
Oh, you thieving cunt.
Yeah, it's
You bastard.
You stole it from your jaws, man.
He did 764 damage with that thing.
Who did?
6 kills. That Firestarter.
No way.
Wow.
That's the end.